Experience peaceful living in the heart of the country. Here in the Elwood neighborhood of Colton, you'll discover a beautiful custom home with a rustic barn and detached garage on 6 acres. You'll find excellent pasture grass for horses or cows and gorgeous old-growth trees that create a shady hideaway during the warm summer months. Heading inside, you'll discover spacious living areas in this home of more than 2,500 square feet. From the dramatic fireplace to the new carpet and custom cabinetry throughout, it's a warm, inviting interior. Constructed and lived in by the original owner only, this home has been well maintained through the years. A multi-purpose room with its own entrance is a flexible space, and you'll also find a separate office. You'll find 4 bedrooms, including a spacious master suite. And 2 full baths. Entertain or just unwind on the patio. And you can enjoy miles of trails from Clear Creek Canyon all the way to Goat Mountain, while taking in some of the finest scenery Oregon has to offer. The charming barn with a metal roof includes power and water. Room for everything you need to enjoy tranquil country living and own your own little piece of paradise. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Vivian Day with Premier Property Group at 971-275-9948.